Hello guys and welcome to my another Minecraft video. In this video I will be showing you some things that I built. First off, this roller coaster, and secondly the waterfall that you saw in my previous video, and then my greenhouse and my own house. Okay, so let's give the roller coaster a test. It's pretty fun though. Yeah, it worked. That's my greenhouse, and I'll show you my house. This my house looks from inside, and I know the floor is diamond, so don't comment about this please. And this is my house from top. And leave some comments what I should build next, if you want me to build something, or I'll go explore some caves or something. And this tunnel leads to my greenhouse, so I can harvest my wheat and stuff here. So thanks for watching.